Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong fritong salmon. Ang sarap nito guys. And paksyo na fish special. Nag-add lang tayo ng ating lemon juice and salt and pepper to taste para sa ating salmon at imamarinate natin ito for about 30 minutes. Nagpainit tayo ng olive oil at prinito natin ito. Para sa ating cold drinks, meron tayong sour refreshing fresh lemon with mint. Yung ating lemon, fresh mint leaf, honey, and the water. I-blend natin ito at meron tayong napakasarap and healthy lemon with fresh mint leaf. Hot drinks, yung ating apple tea, slice of apple, 5 clove, at yung ating tea seeds. Papakulo lang natin ito at meron na tayong very healthy apple tea with fresh mint. Para sa ating salmon ay nagprito din tayo ng ating tomato and garlic and nag-add pa tayo ng ating dried rosemary leaf. Mas maganda kung meron tayong fresh leaf of rosemary. Luto ng ating masarap, special, very healthy pritong salmon with garlic and tomato. Mag-ready tayo ng lakayan at kakain tayo ng masarap na breakfast. Meron pa tayong masarap, special, paksyo na fish. Maraming sibuyas, loya, counting bawang, salt and pepper to taste, vinegar, and counting water. Nag-add din tayo ng ating magic sarap. And lutuin lang natin ito. Antayin nating kumunti ang sapaw ng ating paksyo na fish. Nag-add pa tayo ng ating olive oil. Nilagyan natin ito ng marami para masarap talaga siya. Luto na rin ng ating masarap na paksyo na fish. Mag-ready din tayo ng ating lagayan and kakain tayo ng masarap na breakfast. Kain tayo guys. Ready na ang ating food. Meron tayong pritong salmon with slice of tomato and garlic. Prinito natin ito. And yung ating paksyo na fish. Napakasarap din ito. For cold drinks, yung ating lemon with fresh mint. In hot drinks, yung ating apple tea with fresh mint leaf. Nag-recurve na naman ako guys. Kain tayo guys. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito at masarap. At marami tayong food para sa ating breakfast. Full or loaded ang ating food for breakfast. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.